This video in our German A1.1 series. Today we will learn basic greetings and how to introduce yourself in German. Let's get started. Why should I learn German? German is spoken in countries like Germany, Austria and Switzerland. Learning the basics will help you travel, study and even work. Let's start with the greetings. Hallo means hello. Guten Morgen means good morning. Guten Tag means good afternoon. Guten Abend means good evening. Auf Wiedersehen means goodbye. It is just a formal way of saying goodbye. And Tschüss is the casual way of saying goodbye. Repeat with me to practice pronunciation. How to introduce yourself in German. Let's learn some useful phrases used to introduce yourself. Wie heißen Sie? It means what's your name? Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße and then your name. Ich heiße, yeah, and your name. Woher kommen Sie? It means where are you from? And you answer with Ich komme aus. Ich komme aus Ägypten. And then if someone asks you wie geht's or wie geht's dir, it means how are you? You just say mir geht's gut. I'm doing well. Let's have a small dialogue. I am person 1 and you are person 2. Try to practice with me. Guten Tag, wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Max. Woher kommen Sie? Ich komme aus Ägypten. And now you have a small quiz. Pause the video and answer the question. What does Guten Morgen mean? And how do I say I am from Egypt? And the answers are Good morning, ich komme aus Ägypten. Great job! You've learned greetings and introductions. Next video we will learn numbers in German from 1 to 10. Please like, subscribe and share. And thank you for listening.